Hey guys, welcome. Welcome to my channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to discuss one program, and that is to print the greatest of three numbers. Like program to print greatest of three numbers. I have mentioned as it as comment like program to print greatest of three numbers. So what is the scenario here? Like if the user enter three number, that is the input will be three number. Suppose the number are 10, 30, 10, 20 and 30. Then in that case the output of the program should be 30, because among these three numbers we know that 30 is the largest number. So the output should be 30 among these three numbers. If user enters these three numbers, then the output should be 30. So basically we have to write a program that prints the greatest number among three numbers. So let's write the program. And this interface, this in compiler, I'm using online C++ compiler. So you can go to your Google search bar and just type online C++ compiler. So you can go for online GDP compiler. It will be the first reference that will be referred by Google. So it is nice. You can go for this. So let's see this program. I will be declaring three variables: int num1, num2 and num3. So in this case I have declared three variables, num1, num2 and num3 of integer data type, because I will be working with integers. It means that the variables num1, num2 and num3 will be capable of holding integer values only. And if you want to check for decimal values, then you can go for float data type instead of integer data type. And also if you want to go for higher values or higher decimal values, then you should go for long and double data types. It's all up to you. Since I am writing this program as for your knowledge only, so I will be going for integer data type only. Now I will be printing I will be asking the user to enter three numbers. I will be asking the user to enter three numbers. Then user will be entering the three number, and it will be stored in the respective variable as num1, num2 and num3. The three variable will be stored in the three values will be stored in their respective variables in num1, num2 and num3. Then the main scenario comes now. How we will have to approach, like whether among all the three number, which number is greatest. So I will be using if conditional statement here. If else if ladder we will be using. So let's begin. Suppose in if condition I am mentioning if num1 greater than num2, and at the same time num1 should be greater than num3 also. If and we are using and operator here because we know that the property of and operator, it will only be executing this particular block if both the condition results to be true. That means if num1 is greater than num2, then at the same time num1 should be greater than num3 also. Then in that case I will be printing the statement like cout the greatest number is num1. So in that case I will be printing this. Now if this condition result if any one of this condition results to be false, then if it will be not executing this block, the program will be coming in this particular statement, that is else if. And in this case we will be checking for num2, like whether num2 is greater than num3 or not. We will be not checking whether num2 is greater than num1, because it's of no use, as in the first case only we came to know like num1 is no larger the greatest value, because this condition is false. If any one of this condition results to be false, then we came to know like num1 is no larger the greatest value. Then in the second condition, in else if condition, we will be checking only for num2, like if num2 is greater than num3 or not. Then in that case what will be printing like cout the greatest number is num2. So we know like we have checked for num1, num2. What's left? Num3. Only num3 left. So just like else, we don't have to mention any condition, because it will be coming in this block only if these two condition results to be false. And if these two condition results to be false, then what means that only we have left with one variable. Then we know that if the num1 is no longer the largest value and num2 is no longer the largest value, then only num3 is the largest value. So just print like num3 greatest the greatest number is num3. So it's finish. Like we have checked for all the condition. In the first condition we are checking for num1, and we are checking like num1 should be greater than num2, and at the same time num1 should be greater than num3. And if both this condition results to be true, then if this particular block will be executed. And if any one of this condition results to be false, then num1 is no longer the largest value. Then the program will be coming in this particular line, that is, it will be executing this else if statement. And in this statement it will be checking like if num2 is greater than num3 or not. And if this condition results to be true, then it will be printing this particular statement. And if both this condition results to be false, like if this condition false and if this condition is false, then it will be coming in this else part, and it will be printing this, because as num1 is no longer the larger value and num2 is no longer the larger value, then we are left with only num3 variable, only one variable, and at that case only one variable will be the largest value, that is num3. So if I run this program, if I execute this program at this particular moment, let's see. See, compiler is asking me to enter three numbers. Let's go for 10, 20, and 30, right? Let's go for 10, 20, and 30. See, the greatest number is 30. We got the output. Again, read for another cases. Let's see some other cases. Uh, I will be entering it at this time 45, 67, and 12. Press enter. See, the greatest number is 67. I have got the output. Another next case. I will be going for 34, 59, and 27. Run. The greatest number is 59. So it is up to you. See, it is giving me output. I will be going for, let's see, one more condition. 890, 347, 568. If I press the enter, I see the greatest number is 890. So our program is running and is giving the output as per. So hope you all got this clear concept. If you have any doubt, you can reach me at comment section, or you can reach me at my social media profile. Thank you so much for watching.